Remember, I told you I'm gonna do another video of my dog. Okay, you sit here, sit. Okay, sit here, and I'll be back. Buddy. Oh my God! What have you got on your face?
In that bin bag.
Oh my God! Here is he's been in that bin bag, but he's only got like tomato sauce on his face. Buddy, hello to the camera. Bye, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna put him down. Okay. So remember my dog, right? You saw him, and he's just been in the bin bag. He's not in anything, but next time I'm gonna be doing a longer video with you guys. And news. Make sure thumbs up on my video. And make sure to subscribe. So, I don't know what to do. Anyway, so, seriously, I wish my dad was helping me with the camera. But whatever, guys, I'm upside down. I've got like hundreds of teeth. I've got so many teeth out. Like so many. But it's a little bit. Oh my God. See, just my dog is just weird. He's so funny. I'll show you my back garden. Only if it's quite sunny out there. I don't think this is my back garden. Anyway. Here's my football ball. Here's his back. Here's the football ball. Oh, I had the screen. Hello. I'm gonna be doing lots. So hi. Okay, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe.